This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Akwasi Okoriba. Welcome to 6805 Silent Brook Lane, a beautifully renovated traditional home located in the quiet Rolling Ridge subdivision of Knoxville, Tennessee. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home features 1,508 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space on a generous 0.23-acre lot. Built in 1994 and extensively upgraded, it offers the perfect balance of classic comfort and modern convenience. Step inside to a warm and welcoming living room centered around a wood-burning fireplace, ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The updated kitchen, 2022, is a true highlight, featuring granite countertops, a full suite of stainless steel appliances, updated cabinetry, and tile flooring. A bright, eat-in dining area flows out to a large new deck, added March 2023, offering seamless indoor-outdoor living. Throughout the rest of the home, luxury vinyl plank, LVP, flooring provides a durable and stylish finish. Upstairs, the spacious primary suite includes a walk-in closet and a private ensuite bath. 2 additional bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, family, or home office use. All bedroom closets have been upgraded with new shelving, maximizing storage and organization. A well-placed half bath is located on the main level, and the laundry room also features new built-in shelving for extra functionality. This home has received top-to-bottom updates with exceptional attention to detail. A 40-year metal roof was installed in July 2023, combining long-term durability with peace of mind. In August 2024, the front and side doors were custom painted and replaced, along with a new sliding patio door to enhance both curb appeal and energy efficiency. The staircase was fully redone in May 2024, featuring brand new treads, risers, a modern handrail, and stylish iron balusters. In March 2025, the garage was freshly painted and outfitted with a new door and opener, and both interior and exterior lighting were upgraded for a fresh, cohesive look throughout. Outside, enjoy the benefits of a fully fenced backyard, a covered front porch, and an attached 1-car garage. The home is tucked into a peaceful cul-de-sac and includes room to add an additional parking pad, perfect for an RV, trailer, or extra vehicle. Zoned for Carnes High School, this home is conveniently located near parks, shopping, and dining, offering easy access to daily essentials without sacrificing peace and quiet. Priced at $355,000, with no HOA fees and low annual property taxes, approximately $814, 6805 Silent Brook Lane is a rare move-in-ready opportunity in Knoxville. Whether you're looking for your first home, your next home, or simply something that's been truly cared for and updated, this one is a must-see. Seller to provide a home warranty and contribute toward buyer's closing costs with an acceptable offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Akwasi Okoriba at 8